all the time, but it never gets old. If you have $50,000 to invest, what will be the most probable and short and basically fastest way to grow it by 10x? Okay, let me rephrase that. So if you have 50K to invest, what's the fastest way to get a 10x? Okay, so this is the age-old question of how to make as much money as possible. Now, we actually answered a similar question like this on the last show, and the answer was best way to not lose money. I'm sorry, best way to make money is to not lose money, all right? Especially in crypto. So many people have gotten wrecked and capitulated because they lost all their money trying to chase a 10x or trying to make a quick buck, right? So slow and steady wins the race, because so many people made money back in 2017, then lost most of it in 2018, right? So you want to be the person who made a good amount of money in 2017 and didn't lose too much in 2018, right? So for perspective, the reason why we've launched Token Metrics and the quant grade specifically is because of that. So according to PwC, back in 2018, when Bitcoin dropped 70%, Bitcoin dropped 72% in 2018, quant funds still made a profit. Quant funds were up 8%. They didn't do a 10x, but they didn't lose over 70% of their money, right? Because they had AI, they had mathematics, and all this high tech to help them manage and keep their capital. So that's why we made Token Metrics. Token Metrics might not get you a 10x when the market is going down, but it will help you not lose all your money, right? Obviously not financial advice, but for example, if we go to the indices here, so let's go to Value Investor, quarterly, let's do Coinbase. So this is not the sexiest portfolio around, right? It's definitely not the sexiest, right? It has Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, Stellar, Dash, Ethereum Classic, Zcash. Oh, wow, okay, so this definitely has made a slight update. So this only has 20%, I'm sorry, so 15, 20, so 35% of the portfolio is in cash, is in stable coins. The rest is in Bitcoin and altcoins. So, because the thing, here's the thing in crypto, so many people lost money chasing all these low cap gems, and it's very hard to hit a home run with those. Yes, it's possible, but XRP and Ethereum can do 1000x. If you go back to the last bull run back in 2017, these were very liquid coins with high market caps, because I got into Ethereum at around $8, $9. Ethereum at the peak went to 1400. Just think about that. That's more than a 10x. So ask yourself this, would you rather have a 10x in Ethereum or a 10x in some shitcoin that's illiquid on some unknown exchange? Ethereum is on Coinbase, it's on Kraken, it's on Binance. You can sell $10 million worth of Ethereum without moving the market too much. But a low cap, it's very tough to do that, right? So I would say use the indices. They're designed to help you make money when the market is going up and help you preserve capital when the market is going down. But let's say you're a high roller, you want to gamble, not financial advice. I would just come to the ratings and just basically act like a sniper. So let's say you want to make money in a month. Come here, put in the ratings, put in your requirements. Maybe you say, show me cryptocurrencies with a market cap less than 30 million. Because this is kind of what I was doing back in 2017 with ICOs. Ideally, we'd like market caps less than 30 million. Let's say trading volume greater than 1 million. And now then let me just sort this by grade. And now it's giving us projects that are pretty liquid with low market caps, right? So looking at this, we have IoT Chain, Injective Protocol. This project has been on Binance. It's been pretty popular recently. I think they're also working with Serum, I believe. Don't quote me on that. But basically, this is kind of your watch list, right? You can come here and now go through all those different projects. Maybe let's look at Injector Protocol, because this one I think is on more credible exchanges. So this is the sniper approach. You're more likely to strike out using this approach. For those wondering, projects that are brand new, for example, this hasn't been trading for a while. That's why there's no yearly grade or quarterly grade, but there is a monthly grade. All the other grades will come. So this has been trending upwards. The grade has been getting better and better. If we go to the price prediction, let's take a look at this and see if we have enough data on this. Okay, so even the price prediction is pretty bullish on this. Then here, for some reason, it's predicting a crash. Not sure exactly why the model has that, but the fact that this is bullish on the price prediction and the grade is bullish, this could be one to look at, right? So I would do those two approaches. The first approach, to recap, use the indices. This is more passive investing. But if you're doing more trading and you don't mind being a sniper, kind of finding those few coins, even if you're doing that approach, I would not put more than 10% of your portfolio. I'll probably keep it at maybe 5%, maybe even less. And do that to try to get the 10x returns. Bill, anything to add to that?
Yes. So for the person with $50,000, right? Not a trivial amount of money. What you want to do is you want to eliminate desperation from your thinking, right? When someone's talking about getting a 40% return, that's aggressive investing. When someone's talking about a 10x, you know, they're really hungry or really desperate. Now, how in this insane world do you get desperation out of your thinking? Well, you have to repeat to yourself over and over the show's new motto. I'm not too early. I'm not too late. I'm right on time. You haven't missed anything. You know, maybe your friend made money. Okay, but you haven't missed anything because it's just getting started. So the best way to make a 10x is to make a 40% return or a 30% return. And we showed you some of the coins that could do that quickly. The path to a 10x is a 1x. Okay. And then along the way, as Ian showed you with the quant rankings and the low cap coins, you know, let's say you get a 1x in Ethereum. You can take some of that money and put it to work in low cap coins. Okay. In other words, you can play with the house's money, right? Not your money, right? You go out and put your money in a whole bunch of low cap coins, interest rates goes up and the pandemic is over and your money's gone. So again, the path to a 10x, it starts with a 40% return, a 1x, and then it allows, you know, it allows you to make calculated speculative investments. So you build it up over time. Okay. You can get there, but you can't get there from a place of desperation.
Thank you, Bill. Absolutely. So Connor on YouTube says Base did 150x in 5 days, LOL. But okay, so let me actually check that out real quick because I have been hearing about Base. So the issue with all these projects where you hear them doing 150x, those projects are illiquid, right? Typically, they don't have much in terms of trading volume. But let's take a look at, let's go to CoinGecko and check out Base. Okay, so B. Okay, was it Base or Based? Okay, I think we're talking about Base. Okay, this one I've not heard of. Thought you meant Base protocol. Okay, so let's take a look at the trading volume. Okay, wow, 96 million. Is this the right chart? Let me know down in the comments below if this is the right chart people are talking about regarding the 150x. Because yeah, this does not look like 150x. Okay, maybe they meant based. Base protocol, yeah. So where's the 150x return? Okay, I'm guessing probably from like the ICO or private sale or something. So if we go to markets, let's take a look. Okay, so this is on Uniswap, 1inch exchange. Okay, this is incredible actually. Almost $100 million in volume on Uniswap. Okay, definitely gonna have to look into this one and see why there's so much trading volume on this. Okay, so King Nick says the market cap went 100x. Okay, but typically in general, projects that go that fast, they usually come back down just as fast. And I think Icon is the case study on that, right? Textbook Icon went all the way to $12. And if we go to Icon, it's never looked back, right? So if any project goes up that fast, take your profits and run, right? I mean, don't sell everything, but because Icon went to $12, it's now at 41 cents. If we go to historical chart for Icon, right? That's why in crypto, you really have to have active portfolio management. Because this is textbook, right? Went from private sale was about 12 cents, went to $12, basically 100x, came back down. I mean, came back down and has not looked back, right? I sold Icon at, basically when it came back down and bounced back up, I sold at around 230 something. People called me stupid, crazy, but Icon has never recovered. And this is a good project. This is a project with good tech and everything. But I mean, that's crypto for you, right? So when you get those big returns, definitely take profits. Buy yourself a nice house, pay off your debt, then go on vacation and have a good life. All right, so tell us what you think. If you had $50,000 to invest, what would you do? Tell us down below. Actually, one last thing I wanted to add. For those of you who really do like those altcoins, I would come to the trader indices, the daily and weekly, and come to Uniswap, because here you'll find those altcoins with lower market caps. Right? So this is kind of like altcoin casino in a way, right? But we'll still try to give you a good portfolio that's diversified. So looking at this likes 0x, Ethereum, Unibright, Chainlink, Leo, Solve, Stasis, which is a stablecoin for the euro. So this is basically stablecoin, Decentraland, ELF, and Basic Attention Token, right? If we come here to the daily and submit. So for those of you who really like to gamble, I would say this is probably the index until we launch a low cap index. This is probably it. Looking at this, so this is pretty much the same. So we have Energy, Augur, Tether. So no major updates since the last live stream. But all in all, that's what I would do for those of you who are trying to find those low market cap coins. So tell us what you think down in the comments below.